Ensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Ya yeri tukerigalie komira kyanda umutinyi komira kabira umwaka w'ikilifu ibera mirongo ibera n'etano no kwegena kwane kuna kwabokere bya kwagendera bya rabo gendera tukwegokene merobiri yonsi Ensoko TV kuro chinsa ikomine bere cheke mambya gwekera bonga nandi ngo kwariganya guchakira bono tidakika isano na isatu kure chinsa nyecha bono mambi gweka chinsa isano na mucha bono mubaso asongo tukosangana kumurikira amangana ao ayogendera tukokorekana imere screen to ya Kenya kuro chi sector out kuro chi semi togende asense meria yobo chene tukwanira amangana abwatikene no boso minonyana seminyega aliagendera tokorekana ase engakinga bure yigase isuguku osenga kiega yeminyega nabwe gase engakiega yesuguku abayigo asense muyenda na badaye ntuchikoba no mugeni ime studio astra chiko kwanire iguru ya siasa ya gusi nabayigo asa ya bwatikaine no burayi na magendero ase orogongoro iturwa gusi na monokura se ensemo ye bunge eliabo machoge chache emambia yabongo kwarigana tosange asobwamo wetera so mutanda wekerero Facebook nabayiga sensemo elia YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano na imamara gatano omweri weka isato asugo tumia ujumbe yago enye na boigo geko nyaka na badaye no chikonyora libaga lyugo kwana amo na intwe emambi yabono kereke tuko chakara gusanga asobwamo tutaka asobwamo literiane Ishmael Mogere. Karibu sana asumu chakare mambia bono omurayi wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto gakubwatira namo nabarayi bande abwase omukonyi bumurayi wense Professor Kithure Kindiki omugavara we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja amu nabarayi bande au imenseto ya Kenya nigo omurayi wense araite omurobiri bokwena na chinyomba cheligo liyise aigaso mucho yo Nairobi asense moya mukuru abwase chinyomba chilifu ibere chimia kianda na merongevere chiana netwe gochiase asense meria riara nabo igo chinyomba chilifu isano echo chigendera tukwaga chichinde chiaelire chiana netwe gochiase abamenyi bensemo ya mukuru aigati ebintu biribirase chinyombe chiga cheligolire inse osebigotoka asense meyega nenyagitari ya level 4 abwase egetuo kelia gyokorimo muliro boigo kiagatire nabo iga sensemo yende egetuo kyabanyanyimbo na kera kyonkeraro amone skuru abwase aborokiwa bago chikonyora amasomo ase ensemo eyo asibari bago chikomenya ase chinyombe icho na kirobya tyango tralire linara lyaya aliagenderete ase ensemo eyo abwase omurayi wense araito omurobiri oyega bwokwena na chinyombe cheligoli lyaise
hapa mukuru. Wale watu ambao wamekuja hapa, wengine tumewatoa Marigoine, wengine wametoka Riara hapa chini, mahali hakuna maji, hakuna stima, hakuna nini, leo wamehamia hapa. Si namna hiyo? Na huko mahali wametoka, sasa tutaenda kujenga nyumba kama hii kule. Sasa nilimuona jamaa mwingine wale bila agenda. Wale jamaa, wale bila sera, wale bila akili. Ati walienda kuambia watu wa Marigoine wasitoke Marigoine, wakae huko kwa slum, wasikuje hapa kuishi hapa. Huyo mtu wako na akili kweli? Shida ya Kenya ndio hiyo. Watu wenye akili kidogo. Nyinyi mnanielewa? So, mimi nataka niwaeleze kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, Mungu atatujalia tubadilishe taifa letu. Kila Mkenya apate nafasi ya kuishi kama Mkenya mwenzake. Si ndio? Hakuna mtu ameandikiwa atakuwa maskini siku zote. Tunaelewana? So, tutafanya bidii na kila mtu tutamuinua. Na sikizeni, hii manyumba sasa Kenya, ile kandarasi huyu mjamaa amesign, huyu kandarasi amesign ya karibu bilioni 600 kujenga hizi manyumba. Pesa ngapi? Bilioni 600. Alafu juzi nimesema sasa tutakuwa na national program ya 5 trillion. Watu wengine wakasema haiwezekani. Kama hii iliwezekana, hiyo ya 5 trillion haiwezekani kwa njia gani? Watu wawache hiyo bwana. Ama namna gani? Na sikizeni, hiyo kazi tutafanya tukiwa hapa. Tutamaliza hiyo kazi when we are alive. Hii Kenya lazima ibadilike kwa vyovyote. Ama namna gani? Juu, chini, kulia, kushoto, mbele na nyuma. Lazima Kenya hii ibadilike. Nyinyi mko tayari tubadilishe hii dunia? Si nyinyi ndio mmefanya hii kazi ikawezekana? Kwani tutaenda kuimport watu wengine? Si nyinyi mtaendelea na kubadilisha Kenya? Sisi tuko pamoja. Nyinyi ndio maengineer. Quantity surveyor wako hapa. Plumber wako hapa. Electrician wako hapa. Engineer wako hapa. Quantity surveyors. Kila mtu. Asalala. So, mimi naona tutaendelea, tunaenda kupatiana manyumba leo. Maneno yale mengine tutasema huko, lakini mimi nawaomba kwa unyenyekevu, my friends. Yeah? Musikubali watu ambao wale bila agenda, wale bila program na bila plan, watuletee siasa ya chuki na ukabila na kugawana. Hapana. Waswahili wanasema umoja ni nini? Si umoja ni nguvu? We must stay united. Tunaelewana? Hapo ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote. Na tutasimama hapa pamoja na nyinyi. We will continue. Sio manyumba peke yake tunajenga masoko, tunajenga hostels ya watoto wetu, na tunajenga taifa hili tuende mbele, barabara nini tukisonga. Kwa hivyo asante sana. Si mnajua hawa jamaa wote hawa? Tuko na huyu muungwana Deputy President.
Salala, Mukuru hui. Mukuru hui. Umesikiza mdosi. Kwanza kabisa na washukuru kwa sababu mumehakikishia rais wetu ya kwamba nyinyi ndio mmejenga hii manyumba ya ajabu ambayo tunaona leo. Na hiyo ni kumaanisha kwamba tuko na watu ya kutosha, tuko na wataalamu wa kutosha wa kila aina, na kwa sababu nyinyi ndio mmejenga hizi nyumba, nyinyi ni fire. Jambo la pili, Mheshimiwa Rais. Mheshimiwa Rais, jambo la pili la mwisho ni kusema ya kwamba hii mradi ya manyumba tumeona ile kazi imefanywa katika miaka miwili. Mimi nikitathmini miaka 20, 30, 40 hii program ya affordable housing, institutional housing na markets itakuwa imebadilisha Kenya na nchi zingine. Vile leo tunasema tunataka kuwa kama Malaysia ama Singapore, 20, 30 years from now other countries will be saying we want to be like Kenya. Rais Ruto ni fire, si fire.
Kurwase county yega ya Nairobi asumura iwense arakwena na chimbo chedi gorire iswikase county ya Kisumu abasibwa emerongo 5 na 5 na 3 na 5 no yomo niko banyorire obosibore magega yokubwatu kwa kurwase egesibo kyo kya kodiaga kegotokase ensemo ya Kisumu magega yebina chimye 3 na emerongo 5 ko ligereriwa kerokeria umunachi ebina wekegambereke umunachi ebina ase ensemo eyega ale kwerera naki murubiri ujobere gokogendererwa mase mugikase county ya Kisumu tiango turariereria naki umuna chebina Alfred Mabea akweresera engani yiga sobwagari.
I am Justice Alfred Mabea, the presiding judge of Kisumu High Court and the chair of the Kisumu County Users Committee, County Court Users Committee. Today we had an opportunity of visiting Kodiaga Maximum Prison as Kisumu CUC for purposes of executing one of our mandates as CUC. CUCs are mandated to do various things. One of them is access to justice, but also principle of it is the congestion of prisons. Kodiaga Prison is the largest prison in this area, both in South and in Nyanza as well as the former Western provinces. It holds more than 2,400 prisoners. As a CUC for Kisumu, we have a quarterly system of decongestion through the STARGE program of the vision of the judiciary led by the Chief Justice Martha Koome, is to have a periodic decongestion. After every 4 months, we come here and do decongestion. Like now, the decongestion we did today is for the months of October up to December, and we got a total number of about 350 applications or reports on various inmates who are here. And after going through the exercise, we've been able to release about exactly 86 of them. Others are going for CSOs, others are going for probation, and others we commuted their sentences. That is an exercise which achieves two objectives. Number one, for those who have been rehabilitated, they can be released, go back to their communities, and to engage themselves in the positive work of nation building. And for the prisons itself, we are able to decongest and lighten the burden. This is a prison which was meant to hold about 800 prisoners, but right now, this morning, they had 2,582 prisoners. So the exercise, when it is done periodically, we are able to achieve that particular objective. Apart from also decongestion, we also came with the gifts. We brought foodstuffs, we brought other items which will go towards entertaining them during Christmas. We brought things worth more than 350,000, which is a contribution from the CUC members from Kisumu CUC.
Gotigana na kurase county ya Kisumu gwikase county ya Nyamira omuonchore na ndo mwana siasa kurase nsemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango uyo omanyekenu na Rogers Muturi nigo atarete chiamate chiabari basiria obugima bwabo wetera somo basokano bwepara ase para ya Chabera ase nsemo ya West Mugrango abwase aruro bokonyi bwechibesa ekira kikokonya asokubanga umoyega bw'umweri wa matanga bwechiamate echiga nigo amatanga abo arachikokorekana Musi asaba ige komini gara choka kanaliti kuria juma ine kobomo abwase county ya Nyamira gusobora ibwe county ya Nyamira barachi gokonya kobanga nabo igo korubiria matanga yaiga nabo yoko yara gwika omwerio ayirachi wakorekana ase egetikeria kya Rangenya aya masemo gwika ase county ya Nyamira ase oroboti uruiga rwariga wero musakyo ito kurase county yo Stephen Nyariki Embunde.
Asa Marieta Rogers Muturi Onyirande Korugaiga West Mugrango Bonige tuachire ase Rangenyo asa abantu baitu banyalite umubasukano omonene bwepara abantu baitu bagakubatari bake nabo tuachire gaiga tuachire kubalemia na kubasabira tuachire se familia Tangani familia Kebaso na nengo genda turase ikinde igabone gento togokora no kolemia igonguta gitogotebia abantu bonsi especially abarayi baito boniga abanyamira. This is the time obwente gusuka basoka mutwe wa show leadership e family na muroche ekenyoleke emechando banyorire gere menene mono baravuka mba kunyara gukule emechando iyo igongo sababa rayi baito bonsi tubwaterane emechando yebe yito twes toenie abantu baito banyamaiya amona abandi bali bakwete gukisiko namasikani no mulembe na Nyasara agendere gutosesema nasirire se family nasirire family kire family ase umuntu asirete nkurwande siringe kirwe 20 bachake kubanga kurwa narangira abarayi bose pi kiro muntu urumurai igaiga na otoguja tuja korokyo burayi boito dinakire igaiga gutenda nayo namatanga ya abaya abantu bonse saburi abantu basireta abere igonkurwa kiro yomo siringi kirwe 20 mugaka ni siringi kirwe 20 umongina asuko rosia matanga agendere tubatindike namaskani aye pia ya lero Ngokoyo basi. Ejire ngaji. 40,000. Usema mbona wanga kwenda kwa. Aya, iko tuarudi ika 40,000. So limwaro kiasi. 40,000 okon family na wajire iko.
Sawa seseni. Kero tuabwate nyangi pesa chinyingi cyare pesa nyangi. Ndo amani tukosaya na atonyore. Igobona tuwako kirumwe the upcoming mheshimiwa. Mungu akubariki akufungulie njia kule mbele. Next wasikuibie. Tusikie ni wewe. Mungu akubariki sana.
Pastor John Nyatoko mwenye kirogase conference ya Nyamira. Gonda tukwirari bageri on behalf ya Nyamira conference watebe ngora sana asugo siria ababwatani baitu be kwaya ya Rangenyo iganya sae abarende nanda abagatasi kinga kichi chiemeyega gonare nge gosabanga abantu reba baitu kamuranche igere ribuya naende nonya tokobanga ngosereke ature igari eriso lyokogendia ikiagera obontere bamburi kogani naende amangana kero kende yebinyuwa abe very careful amangana yoko be excited mono ko be emotional nabona ko ne chiemeyega nabo eranyareka the next minute yo
Guska mutukura se county area ya Nyamira ase ensemo yende ayabwatikene no kwa Cyrus Jirongo na boiga sokomolera umugabara we county ya Kakamega Bernardes Baraza amromo konyoe Ayub Sivla amo nabara ibande niko bayikire asenka ya Nyagusira Cyrus Jirongo ase county eyega ya Nairobi abwa se barure engora yabo na boigo kwerera emirobiro ao eyera chikubwatia bosio bwo muyega oye bwo mweri gusama tangara chokore kanistariki 30 ase enka ya masa ya moti yango turariri naralia yagendreta kurwase enka ya Nyagusira Cyrus Jirongo.
Na aswa sisi kama wanakakamega tumepoteza kiongozi ambaye alikuwa na azimio la kuunganisha mkoa wa Magharibi. Mimi Mheshimiwa Jirongo aliniambia kwamba governor, mimi ndakuwa mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha kwamba viongozi wa mkoa wa Magharibi tumekuja pamoja ili tutafute kiti cha urais pale mbele. So sisi kama viongozi, I want to say we have lost a very resourceful leader, a politician who was selfless. Historia ya Kenya, especially with regard to the politics of this country, from Y2K 92 cannot be complete without CJ being mentioned in that. Na najua wengi wanamkumbuka kwa sababu YK 92 was synonymous with CJ. Na ile noti ya shilingi 500 hata ikaitwa Jirongo. So I know as a country, as a county, we have lost.
Ningependa kushukuru gavana wetu. Tukiingia ofisini, hiyo barabara ya kwenda kwa Jirongo ilikuwa barabara ya Maram. Saa hii mimi ningeomba gavana hii barabara kutoka Lumakanda kwenda Manyonyi kwa sababu iko almost 90% done tarmac. Hii barabara tuite Lumakanda Manyonyi Jirongo Road kwa sababu alikuwa kiongozi national leader mwenye alitaka maendeleo, na mimi kama nilichukua uongozi kutoka kwake, miradi ile Jirongo alikuwa amefanya mimi niliendeleza na nikamaliza kabla sijatoka kwenda kwa deputy governor. So family pole, tutasimama na nyinyi na chochote. Mimi niko Lugari pale kama jirani, nitashirikiana na mama Kanini, Christine na Ann ili we give Jirongo a befitting send off. Thank you so much.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Innocent Mugabe. Mimi ni mbunge wa Likuyani. Na ndugu yetu Cyrus Jirongo alikuwa ni mbunge wa Lugari wakati ilikuwa the larger Lugari ikiwa pamoja na Likuyani. Kwa hivyo Likuyani ilikatwa kutoka Lugari. Yeye alikuwa mbunge wetu na watu wa Likuyani wengi sana wamenituma pia na pole zao sababu uongozi wa ndugu yetu Cyrus Jirongo ulikuwa na impact kubwa sana katika sehemu yetu. Amesaidia watu wengi kule Likuyani, hata wengine ni watu wakubwa hata nje ya Kenya wametuma risala zao na tunasema pole sana. kama watu wa Likuyani pia sisi tunaomboleza sana. Tunaomboleza pia kama jamii ya Waluya na mkoa wa Magharibi. Yeye alikuwa anatuambia kila mara kwamba UDP ndio ngao ya Mluya, na sasa alikuwa na matarajio makubwa ya kuendeleza kubeba bendera yetu ya mkoa wa Magharibi katika national level kuania kiti cha urais. Lakini sisi tunasema hata kama yeye ametuacha na ni huzuni, kwamba his spirit will live on through us. Sisi tutaendelea na huo mchakato tukiongozwa na viongozi ndugu zetu wakubwa kina Mheshimiwa Gumo na wengine, kuhakikisha kwamba azimio lake la kuona kwamba mtoto wa Mluya amekalia kule State House itafika, na kwamba viongozi wote wa jamii ya mkoa wa Magharibi tuweze kuungana pamoja ili tuweze kutafuta pamoja uongozi wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Tunashukuru sana kwa kuja kwenyu, kuja kutuliwaza. We really appreciate your gesture. Umechukua wakati wako, umekuja kutuambia pole, kuja kusimama nasi wakati huu mgumu, and we do not take it for granted. Umefunga vitu nyingi, umewacha vitu nyingi, umekuja kusimama nasi na tunakushukuru sana. Sitasema mengi, mbarikiwe. Asante.
Arenayo hayagenderete kurwa senka ya Nyagusira Cyrus Jirongo gwikase county ya Taita Taveta omokonyi bomrai wense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigaikirase county ya Taita Taveta asensemo ya manyani emambia ya bono abwase ara agenderete kura omurobiri gwo kubikirwa eguta kwabo bisa ba KWS amo naba kadeta asomunu uri ondebu na tokora teba osomunu wege songo umuyega oyo orachikoendera gwika mubaso aserituko eliga eyamasa yemo tokende pakase county ya Taita Taveta elitoligereri na narali agenderete abwase abobisa ba KWS amo nabobisa bande bagenderete kubikirwa egutwa aserituko eliga maiga yokonyora amaigerio yegeka egetambe. Alright, mwancho murigere kero keria ase kurwasense muyende bagenderete gushulikira ayukwene kinanko wikirare umuyigo yo no muyega oyo abwase abobisa balia bekyombekeregia KWS bagenderete kubekirwa igutwa sibarachi kubekirwa igutwa litukeliga lya lero magega yokonyora amaigerio yegeka na abwo mokonyi mumuraibwense Professor Kithure Kindiki nere omogeni omonene oyo bwariganirwa ase litukeliga oyo gutukora umuyigo yega ase obwagare abwase boigo abaraibande boigo bakagere guchigwikirana ase ensemo eyega usase county eyega ya Taita Taveta yango bono turaligereri naraliaya agenderete kurwase ensemo eyo. Gotigana nayo mwancho murigereria ayo somogano yo nuchiko gochirase obwagare badaye korende gosuka mutwe goikase orogongo rwa North Eastern omobunge bwensemo ya Wajir North oyo manyekaine buna Ibrahim Abdi Sanei nigo amochirie omowaziri bwa cheni mensetu ya Kenya Aden Duale ase esegigo sase ngusana nobono yesokirie enya ase omobunge bwensemo ya Wajir North akomochia Aden Duale ase ogoswana na nobrai wechinsembu chechibunge asensemo ya North Eastern ase boigo atebirena nigago tumeka chinguru ase oburai bwaye maseyemo yango torategerera na kuligereria naki mobungo yega akwerera engane yege mambia bono.
One thing Honorable Duale should measure up to the person he is, being a leader, experienced or rather seasoned politician. It appears he has reached menopausal in politics. He has come solo fighting people. Everybody. Garissa is disenfranchised entirely. That he cannot hold a meeting in his own home county. Any meaningful meeting in Garissa. He went to Wajir, held 2 meetings, trying to incite communities against each other, without regard to the biting drought. He boasts of his wealth, over 3,000, 2,000 camels. Actually, camels that were bought entirely. They did not reproduce each other. He talked of choppers that will be hitting each other in the skies during elections. A show of opulence and might. People's power counts, not Duale's wealth and power. And President William Ruto is one I have voted and will continue to vote. He wants people's support. He doesn't want people to showcase that kind of wealth and arrogance and liability. So there is no need for Duale, our respected brother, to bring in tribal inclinations, divisive politics into northern Kenya. He cannot fight everybody in Wajir County, from Senator Yusuf Abdul Yusuf Haji, Yusuf Ali Korane, respected Elder Farah Maalim. Just mention, he is at war with everybody. In Wajir, no member of parliament associates with him. He fights with the chair of Council of Governors. For no reason. He doesn't want any other Somali to go and enter State House or go closer to the president. Envy, hate, that will not help our government. He is at war with me for just asking the government to be accountable, which is my constitutional right, why my people elected me, to oversight, to appropriate, and to legislate. These are my works. It is not a mark of indiscipline. It is not disrespect to the president. It is my work. And that is the work of every member of parliament. So Duale's of late diversionary politics, whenever his competence and capacity is questioned, he becomes diversionary and attacks everybody. Attacks everybody. That is not the person we wanted of him. In the last meeting in Habaswe, in a public gathering, he talked of my community, discussed my community in a bad way, to the extent that he has, for the first time, promoted a major general from my community. The military is the most disciplined and professional force we have in this country. To rise to a major general, it takes quite a bit of competence and career development on the part of the person he mentioned. It is not prudent for us to discuss the military and how they are promoted. And that is not an adjutant. He is a military officer, a major general who serves this country. So that was irresponsible and unexpected. He talked of appointing PS, the first PS. It is His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, who has the mandate to appoint CSS, PSS, and other state officers, not to Duale. And it should not be lost on us. Out of the broad-based agreement, the PS was the organizing secretary of ODM. And through ODM, His Excellency the President find it fit to accommodate one of us for the first time to be a principal secretary. It has nothing to do with Duale. He's not an appointing authority. So one thing in Islam that I cannot go short of, or any Muslim for that matter, is blind obedience. Blind obedience is only to Allah, the Creator, the Almighty. I will never, ever give any blind obedience to anybody except Allah. If Duale wants blind obedience, psychopathy, to be a preambulator to him, I shall never be. And that should be the last thing he least expects of.
Chile Cameron getatu na isano nebere gure chinse nye chiabona mambi men soko TV borisu mugusia somo robere wetu robini na wikirabua se enseme ntangani na otokora bekira ekoma kidogo turarasi yumbiri chiduka na baadaye ningira na mugeni astrachu kwanira igoro ya yabwatikene no buraina mugendero kurwa sense moye bunge yabo machoge chache emambia yaboro no mugeri temambi yega ni akorukwa Nyaundi Levis toskare kurwa se TV yao.
uboroso bw'umugusi. Obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninkikere tokore.
Asamarieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asikusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna amaryogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikaru ali kwanya oroyonde orenge kwende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa amaryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari eryo twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obi
Twakirishimisha namba 0706380913. Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buryo gukora kingatare icy'obutindu. Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene cinga kichonsi ebenga kiyeliberera gusenga kiyobokendu tawe candika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetri uratumia cinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently, we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Je, unakusudia kuandaa sherehe itakayosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? J&Java tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha fahari na ubora usiopimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi, tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground. Na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la J&Java lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House. Au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0792071110 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@j&java.co.ke. J&Java, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Harusiri gutara urugendo rutambe kwenyorera ibintu bicinguru bigutumye stima electronic appliances. Sungusya Electronics nintwe lichibuliao. Nkoni tore electronic appliances chonsi buna ebirobu, power extensions, electronic water heaters, chibasi, chibeteri, solar panels, electronic gas cookers, egati ijebinde. Ntubwata phone accessories na boigo ntulene chibundi chikorosi bintu tokonya. Ninchuwenyorera spare part chie chinguru. Sungusya Electronics boigo nkoros tule chispika chie kerengo kiguru. Icho chigutumeka asichikanisa nemega. Tuline sababu yo kole talentambe gucha kuliye byombo bunebe. Tutarira somo choke birigo na boiga somo chunyamira gusa twakirisi miese namba 0784884484. Sungusya Electronics obokoreri bwekerengo keguru angenaye.
Twaichanire kuralio kwa Ruben Kenyanya omwandu no mwana Nyagusira Peter omwandu Nyaboga na Nyagusira Esther Nyawansa no muina atioye Beatrice Bosfolimanyisa nigali se Dr. Franklin Martha Diana Runi na Boigo Rodney nigali sokro ya Yereina momuro mwabo Omuri Chris Mary Monandi na Boigo Samuel wa mwabo Rashid Isaiah Raphael na Boigo James ngina Rome Wilkista Maureen George na Boigo Cyrus ingaro mwigo Nyagusira Oino na Nyaboga ugusangiriria nigo kukorakorekane ijuma yitariki 19 cyomutinyo 12 omwaka uyu igabwikirwa 2025 oberoye nigora eniwe Jumatatu yitariki 22 cyomutinyo 12 omwaka uyu bwikirwa 2025 ensemo ya Capitol Hill Mihango Nairobi. Ensoko TV nigo twatumire ngora guchasi amati abairi n'abasandi banyagusira Ruben Kenyanya omwandu.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho morigere ya Bwensoko TV karibu raide ase ensemo yende ya kabere mambia ya bona aso murubiri yega bwetero bine kerukeri ngo kwariganya aso gucyokwanira igoro yubraina magendero gusobo koreli na monokuru asensemo ye bunge ya bomachoge chache mambia ya bora na imi studio ni nena mugenera kere buya imwarigania eria gokwani mambia bona kerketo chaka gusanga aso wamo emambia yega gukwanira aliagendere tekuru asensemo ye bunge ya bomachoge chache abwase umubunga orabisi wetrase kiama kya UDA diga kwa Alpha Miruka abangeni go bakora murukana omwana bwo Morandia ngo kwenyori ngo kwereri magegake oyo rengo mubunga sensemeyo digare kwa Simon Ogari oyo chore wetara sekia makeria kya ODM tutaragendera gukwanira amange alia kurwa ensemo ye bunge yabo machoge chache na kire bya nganchere mwarigani omugenete mambi yabono eria gukwani na bwega kumanyirita nonye ekekeria gutumanya subwagarenga yakurwa sorongoro ito rwausi tadi songoro rwausi singitukwana mangana abo machoge chache igono gutumanya ekenyoro nonye na se ward ekerokeria ward yabo ensemo ye bunge yabo machoge chache bwata chi ward isa tokrara tukwani kerokeria togosuka mutuna yanda mange
na bakwanirie wancha bategerera simwensi mule ase mule nchengoro kunyaundi Levis omumenyi obo machoge gusinkuru obo machoge chache ase wodi ya Sengera Basoti nakushukuru sana mogera soko invite ase studio litukolia lero asitogotiko kwanira mangana omachoge chache asante
byamara suwike meyen Soko TV kake tuchaka emambia ya bono no kurigereria bomachoge chache nige bwate chiwadi sat ntubwate wadi ya Tendere ntubwate ebo Tendere alafu ntubwate ensemo eyase nere ko Sengera nere ya gobono alafu ntubwate neri ya machoge basi bono ekero tukurigirwe kiraboniga asobo koraritia turachaka ase ubwango mono rating na kiura ya kora wikira boniga asika kie miaka ejiga ni miaka 5 na 3 bono mubungo orabisi wikira boniga abera sobokarari ase ensemo ye bunge yiga ase scale ya 0 to 10
generally koru the whole constituency kero kunyeligereri rating ya yenda nyebekerere below average which is 4
ni sababu ne roro ntunkere ko gero gokora igo
asengenjo but gutoko na word to word maybe rating na wajigo change yake igo asengenjo asenara kore kana buna magendero na araria igorake kubwa sande bono buna goteba buna watch Tendere abokora buna amagendero raye machoge basi amagendero raye na ari igorake kubwa totebe Sengera Basoti na ne magendero utali bintu binde bikolire medo mwana bo mpasta nche personally namo akirete koko sana kiro yange 2022 na wanya tamanyete nche tamanyete we don't know each other on personal levels but este nera okora magendero raye iligo entaisi abantu bali batali political class abantu bali
kubareta
angenere but magendera etayo akorekana mo no buna bono itio kolire gento gete kyamana mo no kiraro kana abantu batena na kyo monto ngokorari gasi but yagotumia tricks gete eline koleta abantu some people totebe abangina kusaba abantu be kanisa ubareta angenere bamoro bunere no mwana bumo pastor but in real sense kukurigere buya magendero tayakorete maya igobuye
ekero tukokwanira igoro yabangina igomanyete no murubiri ulia tokoratabana no murubiri bwo gusira bangina nabasaye mate no gocho sore messing injo abarayi abange kerkeri bagocho bisi egati bintu biri bagotaka gukora na gwikirania no gwika omungi nange mono nabasaye erikwereka nabarabwo ngosiro bari gusenko babare empowered umurubiro yibo igogendera tukwanderwa na serikali ya Kenya kwanza wekera bonega bunense orongoro itwagusitwa raika gokorekana mokonyi bo murayibwese Professor Kithure Kindiki na roberga akora emerobiro enga buneyiga asenkwane aho atebire na nigago tumeka abangina kobareta angenere lakini asese mwende tumanyite na abarayi abarayi na barabunga tema bare sana gwiko umwana inchi yange ige minute na ase ogokora kwa embo bagokora sengencho enegati mirubereria eraroro erikwenekina umwana inchi ngwikwarange nabo ikonkonyorare obokorere
umete mogere ikubwati injira ki in which way yakubareta ngenere unajua wente ko bamucho kerona naki a politician yochire kuboli chikura kwa rolire mwamwe kura mwamwe gasi kwa rolire nero bakorere gasi but bonere genta gukora akubaretangenere tari etinko ba empower inche nanya ko empowerment program ya chire ya konyira abantu really the last time na roche ibachite gukora empowerment ya sigite ngayonari asinaro bakoreta empowerment bumachogari gitigeria nsiriri takeigo
Igiatendere
talitendera asinaro bakoreta ama empowerment yo but at the end of the day abantu ba complain iti banyora siringi 60 pop chuka abangina basombire
shilingi 60 ine chumbi ile nene ya 1 kg
1 kg yo kana ande igo manye batumiete fair mobilization ere guchia koruna na kimoko gena mukwira na nkwa gumurikende no maite na Kenya Kwanza yo kolegas bona abangina bakagenda kabisa pakaira na bandi bakapa stranded yororo mbagwa tifia yo koirana ka nani makunyara gutara abandi pressure yakinire noroche na bugima boba poliboniga so the kind of empowerment gokoru o irense sana like that is not empowerment actually inokwenda kwa kige pindi bunantu akole empowerment bo majoge chache amangana yuera so there's no empowerment teyeli ya koliru yurate bana ki bantu gete empali empowered kusikiombe gete ngere empowered ya kolire gento gete kwa constituency yetu hakuna mambo kama hiyo sijaona so far so good
yeah tiatoche asensemo yabasaye abuna asensemo yabangina kwara kwane toche asensemo yabasaye nabo igabasaye abange nigo abange bago chebenyora ase sector ya boda boda sobosombi asoko gende chipigipigi nekero uko ligereria abaraya abange ngana nere bago chebakorana kere stage okonyora arose tie sheda elia boda boda kwanyoreri kirena donated by guse constructed yani nigo yagachire na muntu gete abuna somo chakano asabanga konyorana nigo bago chabakorenganeye ngakieri bakoligia oborai inali boli nendire na kando na kuwagatatisha edi chiga eligusira basaye nyona na se sector eyega yobosombi nketo kinande kende keriya korekanire asoko ene kino musaye nere
number 1 inche korumba bo majoge chache yani inche personally I'm talking on my personal level na nyakarora shedi ne yonsi likire donated to by Alpha Miruka
okomenya kwago ase myakeri mtokora tana ase myakeri mbere kwamenyira sensei
maybe asa roseti na nyakarora I'm making that assumption na ki maybe asa karoseti timaiti but then kyogweta
nyero gembo teyo
nje na kanyarora kyogweta iga edemsie
okay
barotide aba mbo pampimbarro ba kobolio bwempimu na naro maybe I give an example naro koruku gichaba ere chicha enchiro
bari bakonya gwetoma
enchiro siriororo kwarotide but yaye nanya korora pi otabike mind the only thing kiraro lekane no only education matters akeigo lakini igaso sector yobosombi no reflector ya alifanche nanya korora muntu kabikete para kemaene maybe litukoliriye period ile chikura reflector security UD ya Alpha Miruka igo lakini geko era iga I've never seen one like into tubwato muntu tobegete bunge or just for the name nana ki ntubwato mubunge ko Alpha pi kemaene amangana nara mange turaga ambira Alpha and kuna vitu wanafanya we appreciate it ndobiko kana we appreciate ndombira akolire lakini ebinge sana bitarakoro na ndi ebinge na bibire bya muhimu ko cha so monto ogo cha saba menyi babo machoke kubwe byakolire yeah maybe we can get to we can development we can talk about that
okay totia sense meria korkwana murayonde bwensi ataracha kokora kene tuwade kuna public participation nogo chatotebe usensengera gali yachi guseno gembo abeke abange tokora atebana ne town hall usene hall chiri chebinyoro ago chali orangira bamenya ba mwache mwikaransa mwakwanera mangana abere obategerere birengera ni ki obaboli na ase ward yeye gusase kenyoreke ngento kimuraga ni mokolerwe gosoba tebena ninga netikuba bakorereke nekeneke lakini ntarachaka gukora ekenengera lukiago nkerekieke ase ensemo yabo machoge chache bwate chi ward bono isato bone yobala tugokwana amangana yemekutano nemesangerere kano elikorwa ibirengere no kwenye public participation no nye tali assessment ya magendera kole public participation to kwana nyona ase chibill ngwaro cha se ngakiri finance bill ya 2024 abua se ya stakara to tukana mangana mange pakaba sa mogacha gosoka para ase ensemo ye bunge ya Bomachoge chache public participation ne sangira nebi kalebiga hali iko namna gani?
Ono ga was public participation. I didn't know Bomachoge kutwanya kutwara public participation. The last time na roche I wasn't there. Enate betigu. We had a chat with abantu bakorobisi ya CDF. Nkababuli rende chipiri buni chigaki. Mwanya kuturangeli toche to changire na into na ke mangana kaba mimi I attend most of the public participation neba gaiga Nairobi neba no ninkangu chine na takarakini nchanya kurangeliwa. So bakantebi public participation nero we have done one kabuli relie they wakigora sigete gebiche chipicha gete gaba kangoroki no we were discussing about this and this and this. I was like public participation e wente kurangeliwa abantu publicly
abantu once basoka
advertisement yako be kuna naki genda sigete we have public participation muru amaoni but into incheyu yalenge surprising kabuli inna kirendo tutamanyete senyenjo if things must happen publicly then everyone to be kuna naki njutendere hall ndo kwa public participation muru amaoni ngarora gabiche pecha ibere isato public participation awe akole tu wona tamai tu se akoliru osekende yonsi yani mambo ya public participation iko chini sana na hiyo mambo ya tena public participation alifa asa kwa ni rabanto mwana na matanga amatanga na agocha oteba njiro mwana mo pasta kwa na 1 2 kusekia bangi na bugo uru chibesa chitent chibesa na yun tori kana buno murai that's mbuya toteba gukora but then amangana na ara muhimu ya constituency ya wente kugambiru kando. For example, if unasengera pasoti kenyorukia na nyamio achoro rato bolina na ki what do you want me to do for you? Warolire arangeli mukutano buno yura make sense mono kubwa kumunyoka uchama tanga yani must wait for someone aku umaye tu kwani rawa ntabense meyo yake you know it doesn't make sense so amangana public participation aliense bobe in 1 to 10 ndanye 2
igana leo temete
atemete pi
okay toso asensemo yichpara ntubwa chipara chiranda national government ntubwa tena boygo chiranda county government abwase aba MCA bakonyana no mugabana baganira kwene kina amakoli yayega ngo nkoruborwale na boygo abantu banyora sibagweta oyo kogende ichiro oyo gotole chaya oyo bwate kawa oyo bwate chibando chiaye oyo ganeti kogenda sa kogenda nyone nyagitalie erolekane na chipara ngwete kachire nyone na makoli yaya nkoruborwale tiatokwadera se chipara chiria chire under national government sa serikali nene abua sebono umujumbo manyene agoswera gakufuatira ne serikali kwene kina chipari chiga nkoruboru chire nabo ngwete kachire ase ensemo ya Bomachoge chache
kona abu no ndabuturane yente kitwenda word wise korora Machoge basi chira minchete tosana na bo chitendera keigo wajitendera na MCA yakolire gasi but on a national government chipalicha national government kidogo kuna shida karolire one of let me talk about my ward personally asengencho nero maybe I know it more buyako achichinde mono chiparanchi saligete ngote mare koros chipara but inchi saligete there is a scheme that yachire okonyora you know money is allocated through KERA ni Kenya rural roads KERA
na yon
yona ngo bajira allocated alafu baros chipara gete wantu ko like proposal ye kwende ye project yeyu wanyira se CDF nini committee ya approve chipesa cha soka tiarosi para but you find that epali yo korosi go below standard kwarolita para yabe ko moromu e wanta ko korolunera robe kwerami because it made national government they name major road yabe ko moromu very yani okukorwo ngora iga yabe kwa moro you find that chipesa cha sokire tuseme 5 million chiro si pale hiyo cheo contractor netete profits netete ko make sure na ki pale hiyo at least yarore kanire neremire kwarorire bona bacha bamurera bakorore para iga babe ko moro omoro mwakali yageta kanyerere in that so that let's say that road uses 2 million korosigo 3 million cha sirire ngoko oragine unajiba chiwo sirabo machoga kirayo
yeah
3 million cha sirire so that in the following year they allocate money again to that road kwarorire they do the same thing so that they can keep allocating money to that road yabe scheme yoko iba chipesa korwase
no kunya kuirorera
kunya kuirora you know wako lege ntogete hakuna mtu anakuuliza unajua Kenya ukiwa kwa serikali kuna vitu hautafuatiliwa kama unaimba wimbo ya serikali so konyora chipara chinyinge echikorosigu gego ika chinsa gete impragi go tu just like I'm giving you an example of a road inchebeka na report tiko chiase ekera chairman lituko gete tumere neteiga that road is used by farmers kosokicha ekoru koru chituntu bali chire rural mahali kocha factory pale yu ya saligeta asegete ebgali ego sinyuguti na I have videos here if there's a way we can upload them chetini kwa na pinto bita hiyo I have videos and I uploaded them on Facebook so pale yu ya saligete I told them pale na rotokosokeli bintu byetu tafadhali itengeneze rende matuka kaigo bakakorore pale hiyo ikiangasi kire wakanyikorora yiga asinara machi tuntubali iguru ga macha gasoko problem tali macha gasoka how you can make that problem possible whether embrangu twero hostel gotu
amacha yabo abogari gukuchia sese moyendo nyone likarabatiri beko
exactly wono bagakorora bagakora amacha bado ni wala gweta so I was eternally kolienda ngacha ko ligereria nganyora aba murageta abasani bana bawako mutaro ni engineer nwirabo bona ngabuli mu engineer asiki aba bakolemera mutaro kuchinze they want to dig like 1 meter down nande asa you want to be kulikara singenza macha you go flow all the time not limo hiyo ine kiangazi gira gidingo flow so I asked him why do you want to wako mutaro liba gukobeka likara batiga iga etiani ngokombolia maswali ya yunga mtebi mimi am a concerned citizen of this area and a farmer oyo taite galiye tagabu ya muchando tayo akakuba kubiga akateba ya tokambe kuchikala akatebya abantu bakaniti tomatoes na bakanite baadaye akaenda so those are some of the things that happen okonyora chibasa chirule chinyinge jirabeke no makarabati ayu but they are not makarabati aliko beko na asingencho you know abantu baito na barabu banchite kukira mono kwarori eba kukira na ki eretiga gichaba kororire para pale yitokori tugikibere embura buni yaho tweteiga igakorore bintu pipi amatobe iga no erora tete timani and you find that it's allocated a lot of money kwarori so there are schemes choko through those projects ni chepara chiko sali chipesa sana kusichipesa chiko sirero chipara chiracho generally na tema temete ukorora kyake na tema temete we can't
watabire na wodia ya moni yake rukori ya chilami chitemete gwetaita lakini yake rukubweka ni chigwadi chigachinde ekyunkira akore kanabo ngento kige koirera wodia ya mekonyora magendero gusero ekare korora kanana erugendere tukumwama obumwamo igo bwendere tekobaroro lakini ase chigwadi chigachinde kigankira akore kana singenchakurwororo gose asengencho ya gesiasa n'ugweta na kwabarai
singenchakurwororo definitely ometu ikoraro you know
no
politicians gochaka korunka igale asoko abantu you make your people believe in you first no enda gochiskali no gosa gochororo abantu bamina aintu sinatora
abankara bako kugitera
so I think that is the thing atumietera naki ngitiganda zita na ebintu binge bigokora na soko there is a time Minister for Energy nakiona gorgo achite Opiyo Wandayi achite seitali our constituency nometenga yarangere tiko sobo machoge basi
akachukulia magani stima na bintu bindi.
Yeah, we didn't know binda koletaro lakini umaide politicians buna alefa ebipindi na anjete birabyo anjete ebipindi wano buna ale tumuntu yugo na bakwana na batakora kende, you know, people talk but they don't do. Wano noro muchando gocho toko apakaleta gali sijui baliongea nini because it wasn't even streamed, akabangaba ntera ini ga kachipicha no metekera abantu babangirira ningi ke minute mu bango yuka era igo mwana bo mpasta numuya.
Okay. Toche asensemo kala tukotikana nayo abatkana n'ekipara toche asensemo yekisemi negative into biria abajumbe kutasa ababunga baitu bagoche bakora mono no kwenekina abana baitu gose aborokiwa konyora bari kisemi gwetera so gusirwa n'ekibasari ebe no mworokiwa rase skuru yoburuso iyo primary ebe na secondary ebe nyona se university ngoche bare banyora kibasari aso murubirwo kwenanwa chibasari yase bu machoge chache na kyoberwa kugendererwa gwikira bono iga
tina quality school long time ago, just recently na quality university, and I can say since I started university na nyolire basari kabere
iyi chibesa irenga
eli busaba
igone eli busaba igwa so 14 kijumla
na ndo unajua people do take bursaries like ti umugambyo tokonyeri, that's your money abantu bagwende
kulwole bango noganiri gokonyo
people think that jibese chibako eti chichikoro sijini chomugambi inege eti ntoriko rubango bangote ntoriko. Imagine you are buying sukari
kebiriti
VAT nero kebiriti kirege ento kiriyo kogora ngeyakire tax bono bantu bamuchoke bamanyana naki chi tax inkorumore nande pasali ejimoko egu tali etine jabosa. That's your money. Bono the way of distributing those bursaries here got a lot of questions because tokonyora alifagago chagotewana naki I'm giving bursaries in Jumoi wikaba sa ichikomredi bara soka baoge chimanya ko soka like the last time where I championed a lot on chibasali chikoruego and then chigasoka robuya abantu bakarangeli go apply na apply na chigasoka, but there were questions abantu mbaro ba demanded to buy with basali mbairi like those people who are vocal nana ki to basali mbairi kwarolire maybe because of those the ukosoko kugotewana naki nkitu taliko ruji basali so mbairi, and then there is a way to distribute nana ki. For example this year abana ba university bairu bago tumo mwaka yo mobaya abana ba school mwakonda abana ba university bairu that's why now tukabere in my whole university life. So the NGCDF Act yagotewana naki 40%, a maximum of 40% of the money given to the constituency is supposed to be given into bursaries abana basomere. 40% you can we are roughly being given 160 million to our constituency per financial year. So okonyola chibese chichirange 40 million. 40% you kwenyaka buyo konyolire 30 something million yabo. And then what work at the applicants of those bursaries per year okonyola chibese chigotumekange 20 something million. So the rest of the money definitely and tomatias chikochi kwarolire this wali anenili. If you combine that number ya bana ba school na bana ba university ba native to ba kamo chibese 40% of the total allocation to the constituency chisaine kiro montaka nyoli basali na beko babuya sana kiro monto kiro everyone gets 5,000 each year, then kiro montaka nyora 7,000 oganya to 1 year more umanya kwa 7,000. You see there's a lot of money being lost there. Ono umachando yunaboro umete to ujito kwa mandongo kwa baka 10,000 our neighbor usoro ako na 10,000 and high school na university at the same financial year. Those guys both here bali Kenya kwanza. So mimi nashanga asikintu tokonyolera limo tutakonyolera
una tijirani cheko
package ngima. So what is it that we need to do na into nyole chibasari job na abantu bande bakonyora. So that's the problem we have. But then chibasari chirachengwa na nale nonye umuchando yuko. Unajua we tokoli ile umuchando yumono asenyencho it affects abantu mono. Ugo affect abantu mono. Abakolengeri kwani ntu osoro yose judiali. Alifo yose judiali. Injo kanyoro sora kolokolere binte binge ata maendelero wise. Tani tulienda abantu tuwatu mwana bomo pastor nero wenta korora abana babatakana kibago cheskuru.
Baro tugotigera abwase kisemi kwarle birasi birikire constructed by NGCDF ose anda byagachire wetera kiganje kya NGCDF rwa kware nyone ne chibasi cheskuru na chire cyo konyorara donated lakini niko chiachite wetera ase kiganje kya NGCDF turakwana ngo asobwa gachibwe birasi biria byagachire wetera ase kiganje kya NGCDF nabo igo chibasi renga wikiraboni iga chiaenanirwa ase ensemu ye bunge ya Bomachoge Church
tiganja kira mangana y'ibirasi and mimi engo chinakwanira mono mangana agung affect directly othanyama maybe amangana ale tutebe watch tendere nchebuna nkali how do I see things asengenjo maybe kwa ndi solve umugambi maybe I can perceive things differently lakini bono nche tigankwanira mangana kurunka kabisa. There's a school called Nyamiyobo Primary School. That's my local primary school and high school. And school I'm very proud of that school.
Any alumni?
No, I was there a very long time ago. But I'm happy as in junior school. Say no Nyamiyobo. Nyamiyobo manyene school. So that school it was ya told Romochando for a very long time. Na Romochando yoko ogocha virasi biagaje tukare. Yagotire. So there was a problem ya mabati ya blue. Mabati na rao chabe kwa blue yichia mpini nkage tu kwanya kunyaro na constituency chindo. Alifa achitaka bika birasi ya mabati ya blue and we appreciate that. Lakini bono what kind of classes are you putting those iron sheets? Tianda gote.
Ebitake tukogwa.
Ekerasi ekyo Kenya gere iga mutengecho chiga abana baumire. And I've been championing for that. Birasi mbiro agachite and na appreciate kazi amefanya. Kuna madarasa ametengeneza zinakaa vizuri, ziko tile vizuri, but after tumepiga kelele. Unaona? Still te no rae nyumba yago. Ama gega akoliye bisigi sansa. Taligo chiko chenjekerama. Okora change chi postage chansa.
Ora chaka no boroso ko.
Ora chaka no boroso ko runsa. Na liyo mabaje una aba malito tago. Kwarolire. So egasnere you akora nimbate by there I have a list here that maybe I could share some time. Ibwate I work with evidence nimbate I took my time to make a certain report. Okonyora there is a way eskimu liyokora gera chibesa through those iron sheets. Kwarolire ekerasi ekere maybe kya gache tu kike katiku matakataka ngicheti kwa ya kuplasta ya kurangi kebekero blackboard uya kwarori. So what happens ako allocate let's say 2 million to renovate 2 classes, 2 million to renovate 2 classes. Ndaro le umaite nganti tukotara ibintu bire live. Kuna list hapa ya primary schools.
Yes, my.
Well, let me say Nyamiyobo DP Primary. Ekai 1 million construction and completion of 1 new classroom with tiling. Correct. Perhaps you find that a class go exist together. Correct. Nkero. Pone ngento yego korekana irenga chiaru keti
1 million.
1 million. Oleta mabati ochange mabati
million yegane class kigani ilikuwa gacho ekeya gose kigani ilikuwa renovated
completion.
Okay.
Construction to completion.
Yani gecha kekorurira bainse paka naende kiere gya kubakerangi
kere. This financial year na ruseti nduseti kwende there was no new classroom that was made in skuru eyo
Igyo mone bese inga yichete
wono igapo amabati kwarorite ako check block ya 4 classes ochenja amabati one iron sheet, let's say an example of 1000 ibirasi bine amabati ali design teyo era ile mabati mange amabati enda ono amabati no 200 mabati that is 200,000 kwarorite ile ngoro chikebekire
1 million
1 million ile ngaja tigere
obeke bisumari obeke chibundi
let's say apparently 500,000 toteba to buy
500,000 yarachire
so obeke ebirasi ebyo amabati okira so the following financial year na ndo upeka chibesa chinde choko innovate ebirasi binde kwarorite ebirasi ajenjeti amabati kale chibesa juru jenga jigochi mabuko so there's a scheme eyuera abuyoko licho unajenga class ya 2 million but that class is not worth 2 million ukonyelili huyo it's not worth 2 million so kanyora ana allocate pesa ingine anaweka kando okora very less work on that kwende hiyo alafu uchenja chenjiria mabati ntoliko kana but then kero chenja mabati korali gelingo nsa how is the situation grazingira nyamyobugi kugu nsepi like
giatago kire
nekia manyane kia matoboli but kibekira mabati round matoboli ya atogokire lakini juu ni mabati ya blue so nche asa mugambia rabe bintu bunebyo aibundo ndogo kama hizo tuwache tuwache kabisa chibasi obentura kwambe chibasi na charge jibwate scheme in 2018-2019 financial year buses were bought in Asomete St. Dido School Nyabioto Secondary School. That bus was bought, sijui iko kama, I don't think iko kwa hii nini, iko kwa hii report yangu. That bus was bought at 7.5 million kwa Auditor General's report. But then maristi agasoka ikanyolekani yagoli to 6.9 ya 6 point something million. And every the exact figures.
Igimete around 500,000. Ebesa nere
that year
eternity 90.
Chipeza njiro jibekire buchi asige tamaite. That year 7 buses were bought. And each bus about the same case to this one bus na every school na Asomete. So nkiora paka bintu bya masomo ebyo wente ko bagugu promote, why do you want to copyright insegaki so if you have to buy a 7.5 bus kore 7.5 bus abana bachire chi contest mede school abana squeeze kusiya ngainira sana
yebana
gore pasi nena abana bachire chi support abana bachire chi kwende badala ya kukata pesa na najua ukikata pesa iba pasi yako benki wono let him do the right thing chibesa chikonya gusiranke njinya gusira but chibasi oragorire school nera ya mataragurira ya sitari na tebete ngonje gurira Nyamiobe Secondary nero cheto date 5 of August 2022 agachaga tebana na ki school ya gokora muri buya. There was the last day of campaign. I was date 5 6 7 was the last day for campaigns, so agachaga teba school ya wente agachwa goroba number 1 asenge njongu etere buya na ndikira ito mwako yo we can add it a bus koru 2022 yo school yo it's been improving spontaneously gap ya kila mwaka mimi ninapanda vizuri so na intu na umete tokarara sakare the only way ya guchucha si togali is either chama matanga ose kanisa and of which tali raisi go asima there is something that you go push you those events so nchende to como boli ga mheshimiwa Alpha ni maite na bararore e basi watebete ya Nyamiobe Secondary egoroba gwatebete kubagachira because they have been improving and if they need a reward then just reward them
ire roma tekero kwalire noga ni kuyekirania
njegente kingendo mete bakaboniga sababu mimi hata 2027 akikuja ku campaign home najua atakuja I will be asking the same question. Must we sit here after 5 years to discuss how you will buy a bus for Nyamiobe Secondary? It's not fair. Na chetana na matanga getalia gatebo oboli mubwa kolire ki you are a leader. A leader must know how to solve issues. If you must solve issues, then inchunya miobo kwamba n'abantu bekenyoro konyoro buli mugura buli mo. It's not that expensive na Nairobi. Beke skuru eliebe ekwende. The classes are overwhelming those students. Abana baichira ali abana bange sana. Asingintu yogweto metekero gwete you attract more students. Expand that school already na kiranya konye tuale at least kama tego te expand in seboge ka expand ko chimbe yugo ni chikoro ba chigoro you add classes abana baite amatembo bakole bya.
Okay, ase okwenekia nganchine tumeke bono buna ensemo ye bunge ya Lang'ata asabange tolinero nsa ekero nkolire lya mu bungo Lang'ata kurukuna nere jalango murubinara noraroro abere kagokora bukweneki na chinyumba chinyinge especially asisemo chiria abamenyi benseme yiba amacha atari kubaikira subwango ebisima mbere byali miru bya bwango na amacha chakira ko bapamda na amacha chakira gwikira abamenyi be asichisemo of course nabona orongo rwetu bagusi abantu baitu basite kogenda chinsoko abandi bitachombiroro and of course nonya na se ward umatonyonda na se county government chindoche use emirobiro umurokonyoro umurobinoro mu governor bwatu kwenekina bakubatara no mu MCA chinsoko nchiri chikorborwa chiaga chubiya chibekwe bitacho nonye ni chipipe chiminyoke bwango amacha ikira abantu especially as chi center aliasa ku chi center chiri okonyora na abantu aba bali konyara kogenda nyonendo chesengincho kirwaka a distance korwase ansemejo paka sensoke kale nigara tambi gobone nchira yo konya abantu abaiga negesima gekobekwa gose amacha ngusukorwa asegete nekere to kwana na semu ya mache asenaro mu governor agokora oika kubwatira no mu MCA nabo igo ntubwata sensemo iriyo mu bunge bono tiyango tukwandira sensemo yo mu bunge kwene kina mache tali kubura umwananchi obo machoge chache.
I'm the most concerned citizen on how things run in that constituency. There is no report ntanya gwetera ya auditor generals. And umete nabo barabanya umete na asinara watebeta na ki etiabuna abantu kwanda wakanige asina alionge I think igesa FM or somewhere abantu kwanda kwa nabuga abatika mangana mange. So I was like, why should you say that? Well, no, on that section there's a report I've prepared lakini tindanya share to anyone. I'm the only one having it. Topic nero ndigete ku water and sanitation projects. And water and sanitation projects era under environment. Kuna kafund fulani percentage fulani napewa tu.
Asomo waziri Eric Muga engineer akora.
Bono under climate change and environment of which it received a maximum of 5% allocation area irase ekwende eneo bunge. Amangana yebitacho abere na harumo chando. You know, people tend to think that amangana ya macha na amangana ya MCA.
Yebona.
Waibana na ki umubunge nere there is a hand.
Asinaraga ni rikokonya nere.
Asinaraga ni rikokonya. There is a na extracted ya sigetega about 1 2 3 4 9 ebitacho 9 biwante cross kuno mubunge.
Kianda. Chibunga chionsi sato.
Ya chiwadi chionsi sato.
And chiwadi chionsi sato.
Ebitacho
Kianda.
So I got this report.
Budget yabo irengere bitachi biga Kianda. Yonsi pia total ingine.
The total kere getache kere 262,685 times 9. Inegento roughly gentange
around 1.8 go roughly 2 million.
No, ina kwa 2 point something million. Chingenjo 26. Na birabe 2.6 abo million. So each ebitachi ebyo nje personally I told you I'm a concerned citizen. Nkagenda baka unajua you can't do all of it. Ukokora chisample.
Yebo.
Nkagenda bibiri byabo. The first one ikialikoro ku lianya mueya water spring. Atali not Amasini water spring.
Amasini, yeah.
Amasini water spring. It's not far away from my home. Nkagenda bako. Nkabulia abantu lianya mueya Amasini nkagire osinya gitachukia Amasini. Ndabi kiko cyabo. I went there king expected inana ki gitacheki.
Onyore kiagachu kiarosiwe.
Kiagachu paka kialikiro maybe alpha something or NGCDF or something. no maite bintu biribya kala abantu bakabujire negesanda. That's what I found. And mind you, it was in the past.
So okay, what is Sera?
Chiro.
Okay.
Chiro. It was that one was allocated in the previous year, like financial years G3. Nande it was under disbursement or something. Chipesa chabira allocated. That means
igimeretina chipesa ichi asokire.
Asokire tukolitasi. Ikine kitachekemo. Iya kabire gekoro ku Rio Nyango Water Spring. Pone kina Kenya miove secondary yategemete kunywa maji kuru. Wono ngateba ikitacheki kyaro seti kukale. Let me go and see renovation ya kole maybe it can make sense. No metegetache kugimuna kyari ngikurukale. Bado nabokirego.
Engakia Simon
yogai. Bado gitache kina bokirego. Ngikunire. Kwarorire. So abante bakwasimuna naki amache akobikiru umukwende
omu MCA bakubwatara no mu governor
bako mu MCA nana kingi ataro amajana ragro kunyakerato njo tararo sile amachayo nyakerato kwarorira. So chipese gichonspi definitely nchiyo. That man is not there.
Liburire gandirina ine omwana inchi obumachoge chache nabwato obumanyi gose civic education ya koliru elio mwana inchi no momenyo obumachoge chache na era atwara obumanyina omubunge nabwate ebitacho kyanda agane erikorosia na ebese tanti milioni 2 na sogete civic education ya koliru
ono igabuno muchando nando guchotera. As the youth we are really trying to civilize them on these matters. Umetalikilo montora ande konyora report ye chiasome kwarolita. Na ande to komanya kwasientonge kolire until you have looked at the chikwendechi since the contracts chiko na nwasi bunge yaito njanya wa advertise kuno yam and una public service got the contract should be made public. Abantu ba bid for those contracts by go without favor of contradiction kwarolita. Abantu ba mu machoge bunanje boni ganda umuntu narorengerete naki mwana utakwenti kukwana ngusaliale kwarolire that arrogance naki mwana ngusaliale mwana uyu ramiro mugambi mwana utali kukwana buya. Mimi nataka kuwaambia if we need to have a better tomorrow we need to know these things.
Ningekera basaimu imokerere bono.
I have people who champion for the same things kwarolire yani bago champion for ibintu bikolekane. It's not good to kwaluke zichiba siketa cha abantu bachandegete you are not making that getacho. Umetegeta jikimne ikyama sin it's serving abantu abange bobe. Abantu abange bobe. Batie bako bucha maji. Kwarolira. Ikinate bakia Rio Nyango. Ige kusabwa abantu angi kurumugambi mat. There is a way say tale topography yawe esteriere. Kuruibencho kwenda nyamyobaga frat yake kutimugambi nsali. So abantu mbaro barasigeta ku Rio Nyango bono sinaro nakiona koroko asinari moinari Getondo kuruku Getondo. Getondo is between Mugambi na Rio Nyango moina ali bagende Mugambi nse bucha maje gesimankeyo gosipa ende baka Rio Nyango moino like almost half a kilometer kuya maje amaje nara Rio Nyango nyakerato moina. That project is failing. Lakini ayora ne yomo MCA I don't want to talk about it. Bono they need to know even there. Abantu babu machoge. Tikabamanyana naki keraba saiba gocha bakwana naki. Things are supposed to be working this way. Okutali kurama Mugambi. It's trying to tell you nanaki you deserve more than you have. Kwarolide. Even tubune bibi amachi abangina bachire rocha bakabarasire. Abangina bajire roje batirire bitiro kwarolire and then there is money allocated here na that money is nowhere to be seen.
Okay,
so ba wento ko ba side kero to ko batebi batu wali bagana into mbago tuligerere that perspective yokorwa nyo Mugambi baligere perspective nana ki igente kwa na ngia make sense. Is it true? Kwarolire so nje kuno go saba kwa na saba ntonana ki don't mogotora buni titukorwa nyo Mugambi or something. Just get the point in between the lines.
Nkikigenderete. Okay. Ase chibunge chinyinge oborabu bako bantabange bakanina oborabu bororo ngakende kwararira kuigwa abantu batena transformer nera kuruyaga saligete gwikira rero iga ne transformer yakaro kuligire kare abange baba karo chigo cha tukara tukwane chinguru cyumurero niko kuigwana umujumbe ngayole na kong sana gose chinga kichinga na se birenge bikesano ko iguna umwe MCO ko bori una umwe MCO ito tarato na kibona istime umwe MCO ta ko genda ba minto bora boliga chinga kichinyingo ko iguna ga kyumugambi oyo korukuna nero mujumbe e transforma nera kuruya sarete kwikera rero nigo tolege sunteme alafu asese imene kwamanya ko igwana abantu bakagenda se cyo bisi cha NGCDF aso bisi yo mujumbe asense muye bunge asa gutoka cyo bisi cyaye abantu bayitire list na chinguru cyo mulero abantu muyitire list yiga mugambe batene list yiga bono ko irwere Kenya Power na bwango yiga estima neche cha saya abantu bayicuriye bunge ngima estime yo abantu bamanya kuganya omwako motangani oyo kabere asenare goche asenare mu rubiri w'estime gocho ikiranirwa na asenare abandi baganyire abandi sene transformer ya saligete abandi sene gwaye go moto chitoka gwere gwaya estime yo kabutoka lakini konyo murayitara imukerera senginchi no mwana inchi no chibwa kelioge nubwato murayuri kadiri kukurwa na kwene kinga nengo korekanire asensemo yestima bumachoge baravuya kwatokana na nigo mubwato bora sana
chachi
chachi
bono amangana estima naro na makomwale chencho yendo ke buchiri bumachoge no bokora kurwa soborai obokora mbo buchiri. I remember the same day na got there 5th of umutenyo 8 2022 we umugambi na tete ekanisa gatewana na ki kanisa nyamyo njengo kwanira ngento kiaengo kilo record that ate beta sinara bosote sinara ko bosote akuchikobeke stima in a few days after komwakira chikura
kagotiani ukabaswa bisiga
exactly bakaboni gabona ngo kwana iga abantu banyabyoto maega iga sigeta ko bosote mumbuga n'abantu gete basigeta ko ku nakibonali mabuga stima deyo bakaboni gabona ngo kwana iga nyagotesi na nyagotesi piga stima haijawahi kuja na alisema mimi nitaweka transformer hapo
ubora rekane
hapo ndio nitaweka ubora rekane alafu we can say 70% is lit for Machoge 70% nearly lit but this 30% umuchando noro singenjo money from the last mile ngo chichire chaso last mile electricity ya Kenya Kwanza agenda intuntu anyakorora message bako tena na kibono last mile ya chire gocha katuruko babekere stimaga I've never seen that pi wana njikingo boliga unajua tuko kwa serikali sisi ngote balina singi mutumbu itone serikali ya kama uko kwa serikali why can't you make things happen ngi utakoleta stima panto bali batabuwa tibu na barabanyole stima gaki the same thing happens to transformer sikuise transformer ko yumo aso abantu moligerere tiga
ya chire
butuko montocho kolige transformer mwarora stima ya chire ujo bateri transformer ne salikete karali ya rusiku yabekwe galime pateba tikata antonye change toje nengawa yagenda kwa igwete ya chiko install ubu sembogirango those things happen. I've seen transformer ibere
chiko iwa
and mind you transformer yemo era se factory yekwende ye
nane mwenye manyeta asere
transformer atujui hiyo sikujui ya pili za ndio nilisikia ilienda bugirango ko bekororo
mwanya kubwati ngane yego simubeke mubeka mangana ase abanyanyimbo bachake kubwatia
ometekero montago chokote in Kenya Power ucho ubegete chiba baro chiri bujaiga mogoteba maybe asalika muri kubwate limo unaona mtu akuje na baja kwa bibi ni polisi hata kama si polisi si uthamini ni polisi so that happened bakaimuki transform bakaenda ina igwete story yabu I can't confirm yachitika peko chipo girango transform yuru siribo Machoge kalida and the other one irase kwende a factory I posted that on Facebook ngabuli rende liba gestime gocha ngestime ko ruseliwo abantu bale bategemea abantu bale bategemea transformer you abantu babwa chitinga babwa tebinyonzi once be jobless once bano shide nero let him have abeke connectivity yuebe buya alafu amangana hii transformer ko hivyo it's not good ndio yete tonyerendete transformer yaito unajua ile unachunga mwizi asikuibia ng'ombe stima imepotea, what is the problem?
Mko mnyaka mwachi kwa check ina ya bichori bwana
transform inero abantu bali barangene transform kokora mozi onde bwensi transform yuko se kamera kande iga ibiboko ko se torangeli so abagaka beke nyorogeto they are very active to make sure na ki we have electricity in our area so muchando inoro estimera abantu bali
obarabu nkonya ko barabole
kararo totebeke maene
mwari
ngomusunte complete ono liende ya last mile yewe kolega asigaki na transformer tutwaro bwebi mono
ase okoligeria mangana yobo chenu and of course chika kinyinga sababu nga abange ekero okoligeria abange twabarorire bakubwaterana na national government serikali enene amone serikali ya county ilikuwa nikina ebene dispensary ebene nyakitali elieraro remanyekaine bune elia yogembo ebonigere level 5 nyon amaryogo ngo chari abakoli emirimo mbarororo kero yo monko nyoraro bokoreri borubya asengincho na mono asekere to kwanda mangana yobo chemu tali semo muyoka iranyar gwikirania gwike serikali enene serikali ya county chibwatira ne serikali enene murai wensenware mu wizara rerororo omujumbe no agoswero mu governor na agoswero mu MCA no agoswero asengincho ine ward yae abarayo abonsi nukubwatira ne kwenikina obo chenu borobo gwiki kubwatira na kubaroro bumanya gokorekana akera tugokorire na kwandira mangana yobo chenu asense mu yebunge ya bumachoge chache abantu baitu banyorire obokoreri borobo ikirana.
I can't say that to much extent. Even though we bingi bitali kokorekana abo machoge and we need to put them in front. Oba chenu ngento kete kiamana sana. Inche buna ande gasi nkoro mbe na agire kire gotuko. The nearest hospital ndaende Sengera Mission, which is a private tote eye kanisa Sengera Mission. That's approximately like chikilomita ikomika kuru nka chikilomita 9 na 10 yunta imunkibu so and then I come from a sublocation Kumugambi sublocation. We have one dispensary dispensary yura endabo tuko nyarigesie kire you know
abateresa nga ibachite
ibon naramanga tutamaite so that what I mean is ndobato muchando bo health angana yichi hospital ichi
okay mwanye guchiro mu MCA murara muboli na kibono ndi nyone na mariyogo nyone no bokorera kuru ya se county na kibole ga kirende bo machoge chache ya itolende dispensary itenererensa tutarachikori nyone no mujumba asakari
amangana yumwe MCA na makongo mu MCA ito amangana njengoro sangera bosote na kwa amangana ito yobo MCA na makongo sana. Yani it's a very big problem. Omonto maite njono mwe musige ndo kwenda kokorora no kokorora jipara ja seito nko legas.
Ikotora araba MCA bakubaterana no mugava na koleta mariyo ga se dispensary.
Mwese mugava na ndia nyagota cha kwende bo macho. Yani na sengera wasote. Ndero ko sigoro. And the only thing acha nakyo I don't like talking about Simbarati. Korori. Ye ndacha nakyo na masiacha wa abantu. Amasi
esuku kwa abantu bashereke
okay so nje tinti tukwa na mangana Simbarati mono lakini ngento ndaboli ga why would you be abantu nkibara chengira masimono kubwa obochenu bwabo barorire esa blockation yibuna na gotebi egwate dispensary nyagitari nero yale korosi wasigeta kurugusengera sajirero. I don't know if it's complete. Well, the only hospital we depend is Sengera Mission Hospital. Kanisa. Kwarorite.
Ibona to kwenye baradi na it is already private or say faith based.
Yeah, it's private. Well, kinda enda sigeta kurukumogi. Mogi mbetindu walibu we can get private. Because the nearest one no Gembo, which is in another ward. You see? Emechano you know. Iba abantu buna tutoko chengera toilette irobo si tuate bikubangira ini karansa mo bangete chira ni gato guchibesa. Let's demand for things like intugake igento tetene nyagitari. No tato abese echo toroseli nyagitari. Omongina ape on labor potuko gati. Ako imukibu asinara akoro Kumugambi. It's the fattest corner eligiriti bugirango. If they have a sick person kurwali, the nearest dispensary yunagote utanyole mondo botuko ekuru kumogi ere very many kilometers away kwa rori na bako firi kurwabu ikawonjo keke tunu maega baende bako gembo in that enkolengere they need to have a dispensary yangapu yani akanyagitari gete na basanga na wakurubugira ngo muino na into to sange makes sense yani eco make a better sense than ko omo gambiocha inugenda mutaite tosere okasero ukake abantu baminto gakigamate okasero kuno michano moko ereterera okasero kumfriza moko beko
murayo yo moni gatebe tena uyakuru kwa murara kebaso kwa ramu igure kagukwana ni galika ase wiki yega ni galika raki ekerokeria ukwegwo bosibori ali ase wateneine no chali ase wateneine konye ne para iguru e pari ijwa bwa ase watena gokwegwo bosi obosi obwo einebesa eganir korosi pari ijwa ase wateneine
murara kebaso no monto nganje takotegerera mono sana because to some extent it makes a lot of sense no abantu bande bajite bagarora relevance ya yarire he makes sense asengenjo okasero kuna kuwato chandire okasero kura ku bantu bagoteba ko kwebesa karali lakini kero gwachire omonto okasereire nande kwa mwire kuroso ile bunge manya chipesa chiwa kwa ete goikuira ni in one way or the other either epale yo gosokeria bituma gochichiro ni esarigete ulire chipesa icho usie basali awante gokoera omwana ulire chipesa icho so buto irenke you know
kengesengere kiarachi
kengesengero gyachire ekenge sana there is a way lazima ira ni chipesa chena na ki na baeta na njitikangire. There's a report I was looking at go differentiate Kenya and Singapore that trend you and that a political position in Kenya is an investment. While leadership ya nini ni kwende is about service. Barabu you elect bakobeka barai baba service. But in Kenya investment njema akire kura na chire bunge. So that was an investment. I invested 20 million to be a member of parliament. So I must get my 20 back fast. Alafu there must be profits in each and every investment.
Okay. So, hekareke chugokorera sida kando chicheito chitigare tabure chinke sana insichira kika ange sana kurbono ngukora tore umurubiri uyego mwancho murigererie nabokondera kubatwa ujumbe yago na mono asaba menyi babo machoge chache emambia yabono bwatukalibori lyago gabo osase kati ebintu biri oraga ni gukwanira naboigo aselibori yage mambia bana kekere toro chia gochia gokorera asensemo ya abasae muhorokirina muimukirire sana ilikuwa kina ngoko na more civic education na boigo ngo mu active na chi watchdog ase umuntu wali bwege songo ilikuwa kina andonsi ya sokuru ebintu ngoko reka na bire na boigo bintu mbiri kogenda kombo obo nabagaka baitu bakora ateba ebintu nkoronge abire na gokoreka na buno bigani iri gokorekana elio koene kya magendra ebintu ebiga byo spingo korekana bire abasai number 1 kura murabwata ekiama emogotokana na kiama no nye kiama ekionge kaiyo abande abagaka banene unagwate bagotebana egasia ino umuntu bakora tuna nugokoga ni humuokoga lakini muri gocha ni solution erikoene kya magendera egana munchire ngokore kanale witira sumurubiro ino bwabasae nabarayibari barobisi nabo igo bosibo bachoryo bonna bwo mwaka w'ekirifu ya 2025 nebire egati ibintu biribona iga mukonya gushukulikira mbere byebi.
Number 1 njeni mwategura
yaba
njeni mwategura na ndi nabwatete kura from 2019 nabwatete kura. Number 2 we are telling people to have their voter cards as early as now. We are trying our best no ekero tukuga gambe group ali tukuba kwanza no bwate kura kunyo no kunya ukona kwana bwatange kura uri ikire 18 tara bwata kebana ngyo tara bwatiri kebanda kirali miesi migendo ra bwate kebanda and then we talk because if we need to have change we are the people who can make the change. Taliban to band ni to aba to waka chikura ni to ra make change na ki we are voting in the correct person, we are voting in development, we are voting in youth empowerment. Nande abana youth unajua we go through a lot in that abantu ababali in politics aba nene na baheshimiwa aba for example sitting MP ako make sure that umusayo ugo chaka ko style yete there is a way ako neutralize maybe number one umutumira abagaka banda bamote yagakikira irangora mangana yutali gagwenta kogenda. We need to secure a better future, and the only way we can secure is to talk about facts. Even to be go to husu. Unajua it's so sad ndio tukana it in a very short time, but again to keep broad sana. It's so sad konyora una in a whole financial year we have up to maybe 50 million getting lost. Our money, the money that is supposed to help abantu unabasai and stuff. Umeta basai sai tournament injiro chigenda to macho.
Ebikombe
Bimipira. And you find that as 2% of the money allocated to constituency went koenda elike bikombe.
Muni nchira mu usiribye gwa.
Yeah. And that tality tokote be gwenerete. It's an act of nini NGCDF.
Igaso bwengege ntomine tinkelina ki ebikombe biga abaishimiwa bakonyakulika kogenda na uyu nabwate tournament alafu kwamanya gochekwanyora umuraya gotebana ege na likiriye kombe kirikiane igoge kombe kirikiaye nege ntukira sebesa
NCDF chibasa chabantu. So let me give you an example. I took an Auditor General for 2021-2022 financial year. That one yaringe before itamwe yale, and I want you to check the following. Tiyera igoka ndo abwato mochando gete njena nakora gikombe kya Alpha until I asked nkimoto gobe kire gikombe chibesa chigosoka gikombe kiriko na buliti abantu ba boko ba Alpha antena naki gikombe ntwaligete ngabuli gikombe nanaki. But when kirosa hiyo jana kulikia gikombe sisi tunaona online gikombe changamkia
kingiria bangi bakora na ine mokolia maiso
abo nyale gakulika kiasoka nyale gakulika mwamanya lakini geito njanya ndonya ukarora. So kitu wacha ifunguke uone. I wish kifunguka haraka ndio nikuonyeshe how things go. Roughly go tebera igoro there was money that was allocated up to 2 million twakera gikombe umachoke ndaga bwe gikombe yekuliki una Alpha. But I asked them and una kirende ntunto tanya korore tia kombe ngi achese tu gikombe gikacheswa aralia kaigole ruchibicha itia abantu ngaba babegete uniform na kiroje chirikire chirikire Alpha for gikombe something ngabate ni sawa lakini mbona we've never heard of it. Gokwenda se Auditor General's report kwanyorana na ki kombe kingia actually ndio hii. I want to read it very fast. Katana na ki further the amount 71 million includes sports project expenditure of 2.7 million, of which 1.2 was paid to a local supplier yututanya korora for supply and delivery of sports items and kits. However, management did not provide the store receipts.
Araboto runurwa control of budget. Auditor General
30th June 2022. However, the management ikasema hakuna receipts, issue forgers or signed the distribution list to the beneficiaries. And then this was an unsupported project expenditure. Insegaba korana naki in the circumstances, the accuracy and the completeness of validity of grants and transfers expenditure 14 million could not be confirmed.
Chimilioni 14.
Tusikie wote nzake hiyo ni moja ya juu kidogo nasema in circumstances accuracy and 3.8 million ndio hii hapa 3.8 million could not be confirmed. It's 17 million ya kirenze sana ba na tusikie wote nze there's a place here about breach of regulations 6.1 million to the incomplete projects. One of the incomplete projects necho getere TVET getere Nyamiobo. Yeah, not Nyamiobo, Riamoti TVET. Ekoteba that latrine was supposed to be
nyumba ya bachan.
8 door pit latrine for ladies and gents. For ladies and gents, and urinal and 2 dopitratrin and urinal for staff. Ngagenda baka icho echo. Nero. But uko ligereri ya 8 million ya mete nene. If you give a local contractor HOA more 8 pitratrin, the fact is still kole 200,000.
Lakini allocation ya ringi
a million. And then HOA you can no teba 200,000. Akachu unaingia hivi kama imeisha. There's no space. Urino you got there. Urino you got there. Hakuna. Unaona? Hiyo siku ndio tulipatana na hao watu nikawauliza sasa hivi ndio maana unitaenda. So kuna vitu mingi, even the kuna pesa inawekwa kwa security. LOC police station, LOC administration office, mne chief's office and staff. Bumacho gen tuntu anya ko rora hiyo. Aba
engoko ya rosi kwende rogoro. Kwa rocho obisi yo mu chief.
Engoko na ari ko nyaro. Unaona Ndindi Nyoro is doing a good job. Cross chief and staff. Abantu ba.
Aso kwenda bwango.
Bono umuchando inole bo machoke chache. A lot of money is lost in project asing in tubando ndoma iduna bese jinjika sogete chiro kolega sigete oso abantu babugo dende obisi yo muchibu no president wo chakarosi. So abantu ba machoke ntenda basabege ntakemo. Let's accept to be told things.
Okay.
Nande tuategerera before you judge a person it no mokari osino mwane nayo.
Mbia mano mwancho morigeria asoko sango kwotu asangire emambia yabono kamera yago neye ere namba isatoga na mange turakwanire iguru yensemu yebunge yabo machoge chache lakini asengencho ichinsa chiatonyorire na kirebya urwengana yago yo mwerensi chisekune 30 ase kamera ere namba isatekereke tukola emambia yabono.
Number 1 asante sana soko ngarika ni ochasi show yiga ya Torobini. Number 2 abantu ba machoge ndaba sabege ntakemo. To judge, let's ndo judge abantu according to their age. Let's judge them on what they tell us. Toba judge na naki this point out there it makes sense than komorora no mwana to wende ukwana sebagaga usto wende ukwana bantu bayi ukwarolira. Let's accept to be told the truth. Nande kermwate we truth yeyu nerira abakonye. It helps you mutwale decision chingi ya moko mege asoba choli bwenu. Ntochoro muntu asengenjo akweruka marieta gete wasasengenjo akocho seraba ngina baino wasoba sukari wasoba achibesa because hiyo ni fuliza munaweka. So nchengo batebi na bantaba ya kabisa tikatugwaterane connection na ki obora ibwabo machoge nko baburu buya andu buya mambi yende.
Okay.
Asante sana.
Miamono mwancho morigereria ase okoba mwananchi ase wiki yingi makuri tukuri Jumatatu gwikira rero iga wiki kare koera ase emambia yabona chideke sana korbono ngoso atole chinsa isana ne mocha bono mubaso wika rituko lyankyo na wego rituko lya Jumatatu astra chikumira ne riko endera gukwanira ayanda mange mensoko tibyo boroso bwo mugusingo kuganira mu baso umuyabo yogendera kubwati merubirinde yatigere ase rituko ligima na kuganira mu baso umya eriteriane Ishmael Mogere.